Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera zoomed in and blurry issue in iPhone. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. Solution number 1. Clear cache for Snapchat. To do that, open Snapchat, tap on profile picture, tap on setting, scroll down, under account action, tap on clear cache and tap clear all and tap clear to confirm your action. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Tap on device, tap on more, tap on restart and tap restart to confirm your action. Solution number 3. Check update for Snapchat. Go to setting, connect to Wi-Fi or use cellular data. Open App Store and tap on profile picture and check if update available for Snapchat. Solution number 4. Check software update for iPhone. Open setting, connect to Wi-Fi, then go to general, tap software update and update your iPhone if available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.